Okay, so here's a quick shape to try and get the roof built on here. Another quick video. If this doesn't work, then don't worry about it. We'll figure it out on Monday in class. So don't stress over it. So what I want you to do is where you've got your line, take the erase tool, and I want you to move the erase tool so that the circle's on your line and try to erase your line to see if you can start over. When you get the erase line, once you erase it, if it erases more than just the line, then you made it into a component and we can figure out how to get it. It's a little difficult to get it out of a component. So don't worry about it. If it erases everything, go down, hit the undo button, put it back to the way it was, and don't worry about it. So to try to do this line, we're going to grab our line tool. Make sure that you have your line tool, not the scribble tool picked, and you want to go to the midpoint, which would be that light blue. Grab and click once, drag your line straight across, and you go to the other side and it'll say midpoint, it'll stay blue. Your line should be green because it's going along the green axis if you set your model up just right. If your model comes off of the line, let me undo that, show you that again here. If your model comes off of that line, you can go back and redo it again by hitting the undo button. So again, my line tool, click the line. I go to the midpoint, which it turns that blue. When I'm going straight up, see how it's green, but if I move it sideways, it changes color. So you want it to stay that nice green color going up along the axis. Click it to your midpoint line. Then you go right to your move tool. Make sure you hit the top move tool, and then you're just going to move over to where you see that blue line. If you get onto the midpoint of that blue line, that's going to be the best spot because that's right in the middle again. Click your button once, and then you can move it up and down. You can move it left and right. You just have to get it you want to move it along the blue axis to get it to move up and down. So you just would have to move your mouse where you want it. You click your button again, and there would be your roof. If this video doesn't help, don't worry about it. Just submit your assignment and we'll figure it out on Monday. Thanks. Have a good weekend.